This is a door that the customer has bought and wants me to put it in. So this with the hinge not recessed, it is a measure from with the hinge folded together. It's 30 inches. And then the jamb width, so I've got a custom cut to length and width. It's 3/4 on each side, that's 1.5 inches, so that'd be 31.5. But I don't want to be that tight, so I'm going to make it 1/2 inch bigger. Call it 32. Now I've measured 6 inches from the wall and then leveled and marked. That's what I did. Then I took a razor knife and I'm going to go all the way to the ceiling because I got to put in wood above the door itself, so it wouldn't do me any good just to cut the width of the door. And then I took a razor knife and I cut down that line. Didn't have to cut real deep, but I did cut fairly deep. And then I'm going to take this oscillating saw, which will make a lot of noise. And then because I cut that razor knife, it gives that kind of tends to make that oscillating saw go easily where the razor knife cut is. So it'll make a lot of noise, and here we go. Well, it won't make noise, we got dead battery. So that won't be, we'll have to wait until we get it back.